Hi, this is Joyce Farrell. Let's talk about declaring variables. First of all, what is a variable? A variable is a named memory location where you can store values. For example, you might have a location called items ordered, and you might store a 7 there. Or you might have a different location called name, and you might store Smith there. When you declare a variable, you must provide a data type. A data type defines how much memory is allocated for an item, the range of values the item can hold, and what types of operations can be performed with the item. The C# data types include int, which is integer. An integer is a whole number which can be either positive or negative. There are several types that are similar to integer, and each provides either more or less area in memory for storage, and some provide positive and negative signs, and some are unsigned, and those start with the letter U, but they're all whole numbers. Examples of integers include 12, 4,567, -2, and 0. A double is a data type that's a number with decimal places. There are two other types, float and decimal, that are similar to double in that they also hold numbers with decimal places, but a float takes up less memory and a decimal provides for more precision. That is, it's accurate to more decimal places. But they're basically all floating point numbers, and they include values such as 12.3, 47.0, -2.196, and 0.0. Other C# data types include char. A character is a single character, and you express its value in single quotes. So, for example, a capital A or a small b are characters. A 4, if it's expressed in single quotes, is a character. Characters can be punctuation, and sometimes it takes two keystrokes to express a character. For example, \n is the new line character that advances output to a new line when you're producing output on the screen. Bool is a data type that holds a Boolean value, which simply means it can only hold true or false. And a string is a data type that holds a series of characters, and those characters are expressed in double quotes. So, for example, hello, and what's up that has punctuation in it, and $34.62 are all strings. Even A, if it's expressed in double quotes, is a string, although if it was expressed in single quotes, it would have been a character. So, when you declare a variable, you provide a data type, and then you also provide an identifier, a name for the variable. And optionally, you can provide a starting value. So, for example, you could declare int age and store a 27 there, and a 27 would be stored in memory. You also could declare int dependence and not store a value there. The value there would be said to be unknown, or programmers sometimes say it's garbage. Later, you could assign a value there if you needed to. For example, you could change age to 37, and you could change dependence to 2 with assignment statements. You could declare another variable, total, and not give it any starting value. And then you could perform arithmetic, adding the values of two other variables and assigning the answer to total. So if age is 37 and dependence is 2, then total becomes 39. When you declare a variable, you must provide a data type, you must provide an identifier, and optionally, you can provide a starting value. If you don't, you can provide a value later. Thanks for watching.